Okay guys, so today we're going to be finishing up this RG6 quad shield wire that's coming down from my attic. We'll be using the RG6 quad compression F connectors, and let me show you how that's done. Alright, so to terminate the wire coming down from our attic, we're going to be using the brand Ideal, and it's their fast and simple RG6 quad compression F connectors. This one's the 25 pack, which I'll be using most of these. And it's the model number 92640. The cool thing about these is that there's no braid folding, and I'll show you how that's done in a little bit. And today we're going to be using also the Ideal adjustable F compression tool model 33632. It also works for BNC and RCA wires. Alright, so let's get started. For this, we're going to be using a sharp blade. You'll also need your compression tool and the F connector. You'll want to go about 1/4 inch from the tip and start cutting all the way through to the copper wire, just like so. You can hear the little strands just cutting away. Sorry. When you've broken through, you'll be able to pull everything off. Discard that. And you're left with this, about 1/4 inch. From there, you want to take it back another 1/4 inch and cut only the outside jacket, the plastic protection. You just want to get rid of that. At this point, we're done with cutting, and we can proceed to insert this F connector. Now again, you don't have to peel back the wires there. You can simply just insert and you'll put it inside your tool here, and make sure the copper wire goes inside. There's a little hole in here, right in there. Make sure the copper wire goes inside that little hole. Okay, so make sure everything's seated correctly. And you can begin to press down. And make sure you press down completely. And you are left with that. So that's pretty much it, guys. Just make sure that the inside is flush there. It's hard to see, but it's got to be flush, and the copper wire has to be sticking out. We're going to be looking at the instructions, and they do say that you'll be cutting 1/4 inch, hard to see there, but I'll just tell you 1/4 inch is the initial cut, which I'll show you on this new one here. 1/4 inch initially. You'll be cutting everything straight through to the copper wire. Then the second cut is going to be another 1/4 inch, and that's only cutting the outside jacket. All right, and then you slip on the F connector, put it on your tool here, make sure that the inside is flush, and you can do your compression after that. Make sure you squeeze completely so you get full compression there. So we're back at the wall here. You see the initial cut there. I've already pre-cut these, so just to show you guys, but we have the initial cut, which is all the way through to the copper wire. And then secondly, we would have to cut just the jacket there. Put that away. F connector. It just slides on this. You don't have to fold or anything. Make sure you push down so that the inside is flush. That's how it looks. Now you want to grab your tool. Make sure the wire is seated correctly and the copper wire goes inside that hole there. Okay, so that's how it looks. Now you just want to press down and squeeze completely there. All the way. See how it is? It's compressed completely. You'll release. And that's the final product there. Fully compressed. And that's not pulling off. You can yank on it, it's not gonna pull off. So that's what you're left with. Okay, so then you just take this and insert it into your RG6 Coax keystone. And I'll leave a description and links to everything on the description below. Make sure it's screwed on completely. Okay, once it's tight, you can push your wires back in. Just like so. And you're ready to screw. Okay guys, got the screws back in, and all you want to do now is just place those little covers there so it looks better. And you're all set. And there you go guys, hit that like button and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.